thousands of American students participate in National History Day. Some of these students make it all the way to the national level competition. Several students right here from Selma have created projects good enough to compete at the national level. How do they do it? One thing these students do is great research. The goal of this tutorial is to teach you some secrets to researching a History Day project. When creating a History Day project, you have the choice of different project categories: a poster, a museum-type exhibit, performance, documentary, historical paper, a website. Students may choose different types of projects in the competition, but one thing that is not different is how most of the project will be judged. All projects are judged on their historical quality. In fact, 60% of the score on all projects comes from its historical quality. In each project, judges look for historical accuracy of entry, historical analysis and interpretation, historical context of topic, wide research, use of available primary sources, use of balanced research. As you can see, research is the most important element of a History Day project, no matter what project category you choose. With this in mind, this tutorial's objectives are for learners to be able to identify types of primary and secondary sources, locate a variety of primary sources to support their project, compare and contrast primary and secondary sources, choose topics by evaluating available primary and secondary sources, use secondary sources to develop historical context. In meeting these objectives, you will have a good foundation for researching your History Day project. There are some things you should know to help you use and navigate this tutorial. There are 4 sections in the tutorial. 1. Identifying elements and types of primary and secondary sources. 2. Creating and developing a topic with available sources. 3. Locating resources. 4. Developing historical context. Each module is self-paced with next and back buttons for navigation. A main menu button will be located on each page so that you can return to this main menu at any time during the tutorial. You can progress through the tutorial in any way you like, but it is recommended that you complete the modules in their numerical order. Once completing this module, you will have a base for finding and using research sources to make your project worthy of a trip to the Nationals.